What's up, man?
Wow. Holy moly, they just keep getting more and more complex.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. It took me a whole week to do that motherfucker, man. It's done completely, that's it. I'm done with it. Yeah, it's pretty reinforced, huh? Look at, they told me in the prints that I did not have to weld all the way down there, but I was able to do it anyway. It was hard.
Oh my God.
I did it. It just wouldn't have felt complete if I didn't.
Yeah.
Because it should have every seam welded in it. It's just best.
Now, how was it getting down into those bags?
I did it blind, dude. I couldn't.
Just fucking hands-free?
No, you do it like this. You got to do it with feeling it and hearing it. And that's it, because you can't see nothing. Just gotta feel it.
Well,
keep that, you gotta.
Muscle memory of years, probably.
Yeah, well, yeah, you just gotta know how. You just push the torch down and use the tip of the, as a guide, and keep it right in the corner and keep a consistent speed and just drop and listen, because that's the only clue that you have is the fucking sound. All right.